Socializing 94. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is strange how many people often label others as selfish, even though they are the ones being selfish. According to them, being selfish is when one chooses their own happiness while contradicting the choice, opinion, and happiness of someone else. This is not selfishness according to Islam, unless the rights of others are being violated in one's pursuit of their lawful worldly choice. One must understand that in a situation which directly involves them, such as choosing a spouse for themselves, then making a lawful choice on who to marry according to their own happiness is not selfishness, even if the opinion, choice, and happiness of others, such as relatives, are contradicted. In reality, the one who demands others to follow their opinion and happiness, even though the situation does not directly involve them, such as their relative choosing a spouse, is the selfish person. When a lawful situation directly involves a person, they should consider the opinions of others, but in no way is it selfish for them to choose what makes them happy, as long as the rights of others are not violated. It is an act of sincerity to others when one puts aside their opinion and choice in situations that does not directly involve them, and instead only considers the happiness of the people directly involved in the situation, such as the couple getting married. Whereas, to force one's opinions and choices on others in situations which do not directly involve them is selfish, as the happiness of the people directly involved in the situation is the most important thing, as long as it does not involve the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. It is a shame how many people make others feel bad by accusing them of selfishness, even though they are the selfish ones. To conclude, as long as the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, is avoided, which includes violating the rights of people, a Muslim should choose their choice, opinion, and happiness in the situations which directly involve them, as this is not behaving selfishly. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.